Hi everyone, it's Boris Mednikov here with Vanguard Real Estate, and today I would like to show you our newest listing at 195 Shoreline Drive in a beautiful Lindenwoods neighborhood. Let's step inside and take a look. Check out this amazing fully remodeled kitchen that comes with a huge island, quartz countertops, high-end appliances, and so much more. You will definitely be impressed by this luxurious family home that features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and so many upgrades, it's just impossible to list them all. Check out this amazing fully finished basement that comes with a huge rec room, full bathroom, additional guest area, and tons of storage space. Guys, if you're looking for a beautiful house in a great neighborhood, this is the perfect one for you. For any additional information or to book your private showing, you can contact me at the information below. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media at Boris Mednikov on Facebook and Instagram. See you soon.